Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video I will show you how to fix your screen rotation not working on Sony Xperia 10 Mark VII. Let's begin! So first of all, let's simply check our control center. You can do that by swiping from the top to the bottom twice. And here we have our auto rotation, and as you can see it's currently set to off. This means that if you would go to application that supports both portrait and landscape modes, like calculator for example, and we would try to pick up our phone and actually rotate it, you'll notice that nothing is really happening. There is one icon, and when we click it, we manually rotate our device, but manually is not automatically. So let's make sure that it's actually automatic. And luckily for us, we can easily do that by expanding that control center from before and just clicking auto rotation. Now we can go back, and you will notice that whenever we try to rotate our device, it's now rotating automatically, which is pretty cool. But of course, this doesn't always work. Why? Well, usually it's because not every application actually supports both modes. The mode I'm currently in, is the portrait mode, and the mode like this is landscape mode. And unfortunately, not every application supports both of these modes. I think the best example of this are just games. For example, Clash Royale only works in portrait mode, while Call of Duty Mobile or Genshin Impact only work in landscape mode. I believe that also like TikTok probably doesn't work in landscape mode because it would be quite pointless, and you basically get what I mean. However, if you make sure that the auto rotation is enabled and it's still not working for you, you can always reboot your device by expanding control center twice and then clicking that power icon and simply going into restart. I know that this may seem kind of silly, but trust me, whenever you reboot your device, you're not only rebooting the software but hardware as well, including gyroscope, which is responsible for, you guessed it, screen rotation. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.